There's a little more than 2 months left of summer, which leaves you plenty of time to barbecue. But before you fire up the grill, you might need to take a trip to the grocery store. And our smart shopper, Daphne Monroe, fills us in on some money-saving deals.
Just because you're broke doesn't mean that your body doesn't want to eat. So we all have to eat. Why not save money? Grocery ads are out. Just off that barbecue, because Albertsons has pork spare ribs, pork chops, and pork roast, all for $1.77 a pound. And Albertsons also has a buy 8 participating items, get $4 off. So you can buy 32 ounce of Powerade for just 49 cents, but you're limited to only 2 rewards, which means only $8 in total savings. Bash's also has a similar deal. You buy 8 and save $4. For example, you can buy Food Club brand soda 2-liter bottles for just 49 cents each. Or how about 64-ounce Food Club brand apple juice for just $1.49 each. And Fry's has an awesome deal on chicken breast, drumsticks, or thighs, just 88 cents a pound, and you can get up to 4 packs at that price. And stock up on half a gallon of milk or lemonade at just 75 cents each at Fry's. Make it a peachy day with this deal at Fry's. They have peaches on sale for just 47 cents a pound. Make a delicious salad to help keep you cool and for a great price. Food City has Roma tomatoes on sale, 4 pounds for just 96 cents. So there's a glimpse of just a few of the Valley Grocery Store ads. But make sure to check your Valley Grocery Store ads. Make sure to clip those coupons, make that list, and no impulse buying. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.